Magandang araw po, welcome po sa aking channel, Love9 TV. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Montgomery Place, Ayala Land, Quezon City. Meron po tayong bagong video presentation, isang residential property. May lot area po ito na 90 square meters at may floor area na 200 square meters. Ito po ay 2-story house na may attic. Meron pong 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, maid's room with toilet and bath, car garage, common car garage, at ito pong bahay ay meron pong front and back street access. Ito po ay along E. Rodriguez at napakalapit lang po sa SNR, Walter Mart, National Children's Hospital, St. Luke's Medical Center, De Los Santos Medical Center, St. Joseph College, Trinity University of Asia. Malapit po sa mga restaurants, fast food, banks at iba pang business establishments. Binibenta po ito ni owner sa halagang 55 million pesos. Kung may mga katanungan po kayo, tawag lang po kayo sa aking numero. Maraming salamat.